Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to hide audio player notifications from appearing on your lock screen when using Google Drive. If you've ever opened an audio file through Drive, you might have noticed that an audio player notification shows up and sometimes stays there longer than you'd like. While it can be useful for quick controls, it isn't always something you want on display, especially on your lock screen. The good news is, you can disable it in just a few simple steps. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where we'll be adjusting the notification settings that control how Google Drive behaves. Once you're in, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all of the apps installed on your device, and from here we're going to find Google Drive. Next, tap on Google Drive. This opens the detailed app settings where you can manage everything from permissions to notifications. What we're looking for is the Notifications section, so go ahead and tap on that option. Inside the Notifications menu, select Notification Categories. This is where Google organizes the different types of alerts and messages the app can send out. Scroll until you find a section called Other, and under that, you'll notice the option for Audio Player. Tap on Audio Player to open its settings. Here you'll see a few options, including how notifications display on the lock screen. Tap on Lock Screen, and from the choices available, select Don't Show Notifications, and that's it. From now on, whenever you play audio files from Google Drive, you won't see the audio player on your lock screen. This small adjustment helps keep your lock screen clean and distraction-free, while still allowing you full use of Google Drive and its features. If this guide helped you, take a moment to update your settings right away so you don't have to deal with unnecessary notifications again. Keeping your phone clutter-free is all about making small changes like this that simplify your experience and give you more control over what you see. Thanks for watching.